we have added to that. We have not disposed anything. That is the duty of the family members. माने जो माने अच्छे घर रे मेल मेंबर्स तांकर काम होला तुम्हें ऐड करिवो but don't try to sell it because those were inherited by your forefathers. बुझे ना forefathers जोटा रहथिले तुमर काम कोन. If you are not able to add something, try to protect it but don't try to dispose it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. यार हम लोग ज़िंदगी में इतना भाग दौड़ करते हैं कि मतलब हमारा लाइफ को एक अलग नज़रिया से देखना हम लोग भूल जाते हैं. तो आइए आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि हमारे लाइफ को ट्रैक में कैसे लाएं, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत भटक जाते हैं क्योंकि ये ज़िंदगी बहुत भाग दौड़ भरी है.
They are necessary, not फालतू धंदा एठी सेठी जाई कि अजथा पैसा खर्च करा एटा मो आदत नथिला. And that was also the situation, the circumstance was compelling me. Bhartan nobody is dependent on you, that's why you are able to spend like anything. Now you are the eldest son, I am just a poor fellow, and there are other two brothers, those who are continuing their study. What do you have done? What do you have done? There is a obligation, responsibilities. Obligation, it's the responsibility. You have to finance to your younger ones to groom them. That is your prime responsibility. Not that you are serving, whatever you are earning, you will eat for yourself. You should not live for yourself alone. No necessary, don't purchase. But if there are 4 members, always you should not think of yourself. If you are purchasing 2, purchase. If you are number 1, number 2, ethics, you should not try to spend more than whatever you are earning, because there will be some unforeseen expenditures which you cannot be predicted. Because unforeseen is unforeseen. Nobody has seen what will be the expenditure, what will come tomorrow. You have to keep something. Whatever is somebody is, if a laborer is earning 300 rupees, he is not spending 300. Laborer, they don't have this concept. Laborer today they are earning 300 spent. Tomorrow no earning. Just the stuff. Just the simple stuff, no food. That is their way of living, way of thinking. They don't think for future. But those who are civilized, they will not adopt their path. Our laborers why do they starve? Because of this. You should not compare with them. But try to live in a planned way, so that you will not face any difficulty. And moreover, don't try to compare with others. His standard of living is very high. His earnings may be high. He may be earning in some other means which you can't do. Why should you compare? Comparison means you are inviting sorrows. Human wants are living unlimited. Hello? Human wants are unlimited. You should not compare with others. Try to be content with whatever you are having. What will be happening? Whatever. Suppose I am getting 300 rupees salary. I have to satisfy myself with taking my 300 rupees. I will try for betterment. But I should not go high. Whatever career graph I was having, smashed. The decision is taken by a railway board at apex level, which is beyond our control. You will feel sorry, but you can't do anything. You are helpless. Can you dictate them? No. So when you are not able to dictate them, why should you think for that? If you think for, then there will be mental disturbance. नाना पाटकर कुदरा control. Now, जोटा control अच्छी, if you do mistake, then you will feel sorry for it. Whatever money comes, not comes so easily. Anybody, money, laborer who is working, do you mean that you will give him 300 rupees without any work? No. Nobody will give money. So money is coming in a difficult process, with much difficulty. So it should be spent also judiciously. Is it necessary that he should drink? Because you are earning more, you should drink? No, it has no relation at all. Because there are so many foods to eat. So many good foods are there. You can eat. But people say, no, I am earning. I am able to afford to drink. Yes, you are able to afford to drink, but that damages you. Eat something which can increase your lifespan. So simple eating and high thinking. Eating माने क्या? Those which will keep your body parts, which will keep you fit. If you are not fit, you will not able to eat. You may be earning 5 lakhs per month. Hardly it matters. So you should always try to keep yourself fit. Fit means your body parts. Body parts should be fit to receive. You should not eat anything which is not suiting to you. And everybody believes in God. You have to believe in God. Pray God. But whenever you get time, not that you neglect everything and just go on praying. That will not give you any result. And whenever you get free time, pray God for better. Not leave all other works and go on simply sitting in the temple and go on praying. Food will not come automatically. In that case, God will be unhappy. During my entire career of service, I have devoted my entire energy towards my job. I have tried for other jobs, but I have not neglected my assigned job. Season how we spent our time, सुनो, सेतर समर सीजन आम ट्यूशन मतलब कि ट्यूशन आम जहाँ पढ़ुँ निजे, हेतर तो ट्यूशन मतलब everybody used to have self study. आम कौन करूँ समर सीजन में? We used to do some handicrafts. चटई बुनू. चटई जानछु ना? बसा तालपत्र को उठाणु हम गछ अछि रॉ मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल तालपत्र समस्ते चटई बुनू समस्ते 4-6 कोन जनका दी 4टा जहाँ पड़ पत्र रो अभाव नहीं जे जेतरा बुनू दैट रहिला घरे दैट इज फॉर इफ यू आर हैविंग ए regular simple life even after retirement you will not feel anything. You will not feel anything. Because every day, as usual, how does it matter? गोटे मनुष्यर डेली नीड्स गोटे जेदे हो अरिस्टोक्रेट लोक हो कि मे बी इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट मे बी ए पुअर मैन है डिजायर कौन सब था हाँ मोटे गाड़ी चलती मोटे ये करती मो घर एमती इतना ये रही फ्रिज रही मोटरसाइकिल थी मोर कार दरकार है कि ही नेवर थिंक्स अप वेदर ही इज एबल टू अफोर्ड इट और नॉट है ही नेवर थिंक्स अप तू देखे केतोड़ा अच्छा जन जूनियर क्लर्क है व्हाट इज हिज सैलरी सैलरी इज वेरी नेग्लिजिबल अमाउंट है ना बट तांको घरे देखिबू तांको माने फैमिली रे हुए तो द मैन हु इज सर्विंग ही मे नॉट हैव द डिजायर है बिकॉज ही नोज व्हाट इज हिज पर्स हिज वाइफ मे नॉट बी हैविंग शी मे बी वांटिंग वी शुड सामने वाला घर ही इज हैविंग अ कार वी शुड ओन ए कार he is having one big fridge modern fridge I should have a modern fridge so he or she starts comparing with others without thinking for a moment what is his course without thinking for a moment he never thinks of his salary thereby he commits vices what vices in the office he will not do work unless people give him money just he will sit over files and he will try to squeeze you so then you are forced to give him bribe thereby he is tempted day by day he commits mistakes one after other at certain point he is punished he falls into trap because what is the root cause he could not control himself he has never analyzed what is my cost whether I am able to afford to eat or he has never thought about it and I will try to accommodate my expenditure within my income or I will try for more income in a better way not by doing this vices so desire is unlimited human desire is unlimited so he should be able to control your desire then you will get happiness you will never feel bad I am ये सब चीज बोलने के लिए क्यों डिसाइड किया बिकॉज ये सब अर्न किया जाता है थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज ये मैच्योर्ड माइंड का थॉट है। आप लोग यंगस्टर से मैं नॉट हैव दैट मच ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस टू फील कि मैं जो जो बोला हूँ ये सब आपका लाइफ जीवन भर ये सब चीज़ आपका काम में लगेगा। एंड यू शुड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ योर सेल्फ। जो बात मैं बोला हूँ ये सही है और गलत है, तब आपको फील होगा। देन आफ्टर आप जब रियलाइज करेंगे तो यू कैन ऑल्सो पार्ट टू अदर्स, डिसेमिनेट दिस आइडियाज टू अदर्स इफ यू फील बेटर। तो इसको अपना लाइफ में इसको एक्सपेरिमेंट कीजिए, अपना लाइफ में एनालाइज करके इसको देखिए हाउ मच इट विल बी यूजफुल टू यू विल हैव ए बेटर लाइफ विदाउट एनी sorrows and anxieties, and you will have better relations, better mind, and you will stay fit.
तो गाइज़ आई होप कि पापा का लेसन आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर आपको इसी तरह लेसन सुनना है और अच्छा लगता है सो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को, ताकि आप और भी अच्छा चीज़ आप सुन सको। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय बाय, टेक केयर, नमस्कार। फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते।